more pranks. Today we're going to be doing some pranks with candy. And right now I'm running a MacBook Air giveaway, so if you guys want to enter, all you need to do is join this wonderful family here. Welcome guys! And the only other thing you need to do is subscribe to my second channel, Reacticorns, which is linked down below. Also, hit the bell for notifications and hashtag notification squad in the comment section if you guys want a shout out. Full instructions are down below in the description box. Also, today we have a like challenge. Mia's gonna challenge you to go find the like button and click it in 3 seconds. Ready guys? 3, 2, 1. Have you done it? Awesome. Now let's get on with the video. Let's go. Hey Wendy.
Hey Wengie.
Why the glum face?
I've been working on this science problem and I've been researching it all day. I don't get it.
Maybe you just need to eat some food.
Yeah, maybe I do.
Here.
Oh, thanks Wengie. You're a lifesaver.
This may or may not be a prank depending on if you like licorice. I don't mind it, but I know some people can't stand the taste. So let me know if you guys like it or not in the comments. Anyways, I found that just by cutting these licorice sticks into thin discs and then shaping them with your fingers, they end up looking super similar to those brown M&ms. So I just took out all the brown M&ms and replaced them with these. And it's best to offer these when your friend is distracted with something else.
Thanks Wengie. You're a lifesaver.
This tastes like licorice. Oh, I hate licorice. Wengie. Wengie, it's 9 AM. You gotta get up. Wengie, where are you? Wengie, what did I say about sleeping on the couch? But it's so comfy. Well, get up. You'll be late for school. Here, I made you breakfast. Ooh, looks good. Thanks, Wendy. By the way, try the Himalayan rock salt. It's really good. Really? Awesome. Bon appetit!
All you need for this prank is some pink popping candy and Himalayan rock salt. This pink variety of salt looks super similar to pink popping candy. So just twist off the lid of your salt grinder and put some candy in and your victim will be in for a funny surprise.
Bon appetit! What's happening? It tickles. Hey Wengie, guess what day it is?
Oh no, I forgot your birthday.
You already forgot my birthday last month. My birthday? How do you not even know your own birthday? Okay, fine, I give up. It's the 3-year anniversary of the day when we went to Disneyland together. What? Is that even a thing people celebrate? We can make it a thing. And to celebrate, I bought you a cupcake. Enjoy! That was weird. Oh well, free cupcake!
For this cupcake prank, you'll need some citric acid or tartaric acid, which are both super sour powders that you can find in most supermarkets. And don't underestimate these guys, I tasted a tiny bit and it was super sour. You'll also need some frosting. Just scoop out some frosting into a bowl and mix in a good amount of sour powder. Just transfer it into a piping bag and pipe it onto your cupcake. You can even add a few sprinkles to make it look super convincing.
It's so sour!
Wendy! I love gummy bears. Me too. I'd offer you some, but this is my last packet, so yeah. Well, that's okay. I've got my own. Wow, you have a jumbo one. Yeah, it was limited edition. Nothing special. Okay, how about I swap you all of my gummies for your jumbo one? Okay. Yes. Jumbo gummy.
This jumbo gummy bear might look tasty, but we've added a special ingredient just for Wendy. That's right, it's hot sriracha sauce. So for this DIY, you'll need some strawberry or any red jelly, some gelatin, and of course, your sriracha sauce. You'll also need a mold to pour your gummy into, and I was originally gonna make one using this mold Magic, but I randomly had this giant gummy candy at home, so I figured I'd just use the package instead. First step is to pour your jelly into some hot water to melt it all. Next, add some sriracha sauce into it. How much you add will depend on how evil you're feeling that day. Next, add 3 tablespoons of powdered gelatin and boil all of it in a pot until the gelatin is dissolved. For my mold, I use a little blue tack to plug the part where the stick was because we don't want any liquid getting in there. Now pour your mixture into your mold and let it sit overnight or in the fridge for a few hours. When it's set, just remove it from the mold and you're done. Looks pretty tasty, right?
Jumbo gummy. This is hot. Look, water. Give me water. Whoops. Sorry, I just drank all the water. Milk. Give me milk.
This sour worm prank is so simple to set up. It's like taking candy from a baby. Just take some cooking salt and pour it all over your sour gummy. Sometimes the best pranks are the easiest to pull off.
Ugh. What's wrong with these? Wengie! So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and all the pranks that we did. Don't forget to tell me what your favorite one is down below. And let's have a look at what happened on Reacticons this week.
A sponge washing dishes with a sponge, by the way.
Oh my
He
god.
couldn't just use his own face.
Like,
And a huge shout out to my notification squad member of the week, Emma, Wengie Corner of the week. Also during the week, follow me on social medias for behind the scenes and other fun things. And until next week, I'm gonna miss you guys so much, so I'll see you guys then. Bye guys! Love you!